Toy sellers alert, there's a new safety compliance that's coming this fall. It's probably already been implemented by the time you saw this. But what's happening is if you're selling products on Amazon, this is specifically for the kids product, but it's going to be for every category at some point. It's going to require annual testing, right? So right now it's children's toys. Next up, it's going to be something different like tennis balls. And then soon it's going to be adult products. It's going to be everything, okay? That's just how it is right now. And right now, Amazon is requiring annual testing. If you don't have this, your listing is going to get kicked off, right? Now, the plus side about this is it's going to stop a lot of competitors from competing with you because they don't want to deal with this, especially if they're not from the US or Canada, right? Because it's a lot harder for them to get it. Now, they did give us a webinar link, but it has ended. But what you want to do is just have a baseline first for all of your products. If you're selling a toy product, if you're selling a children's product, just understand what needs to be there as a base. You can actually go to this regulatory bot. And what it's going to do is it's going to help you make a decision. Let's go to so you insert your title. And if I sell a children's bicycle, right? And I click agree, it's going to help me try to pick what product I'm trying to sell and what certifications I need just in general, which Amazon is going to require as well. It doesn't have a battery and it is for children. And then you can go through and you can generate a custom final report. And this is directly from the government, by the way. And you can see what you need. You need lead content testing. You need lead and paint testing. You need small parts testing, all that fun stuff. So that's going to help you have a base. And then what you're going to do is go to Amazon's policy and then just be blown away by how many rules they have. But the solution is to have a fast track partner. So you can go to Amazon and they have something called, and you can Google it, Compliance Fast Track Program. They have partnered with specific partners that are legitimate or that will test you, and it's compliance on Autopilot. So you can focus on your business. So every year, they're going to be reaching out to you, these businesses, these fast track businesses, as long as you sign up with one. And when you give them your product, they automatically do the reports and then they give it to Amazon and they give Amazon your seller information and then you're automatically approved. So you don't have to submit any documents to Amazon. Amazon's not going to say you're selling fake stuff. They're not going to throw you under the bus and say your invoices are fake, your products are fake, your testings are fake. You're going to have an actual legit fast track compliant organization, right? And if you're selling children's products like Baby Safety Alliance, you can look at different items that they cover, click on them, and then be a part of that system instead of just hiring a third party that might be cheaper, but Amazon's going to think that all of the testings are fake, and you don't want that at all. And you know Amazon will think that your testings are fake, and it just is what it is at the end of the day. Now, if you are with a certified organization like this and you're selling dietary supplements, you sign up with them, you give them $1,000, they write up the reports, everything's good to go, they give it directly to Amazon, and you're good to go. They even give them the ASIN, they give you the product, right? Everything's good to go at the end of the day, and you want to be a part of that. So that's gonna be my biggest takeaway from this video, and that's it. It's to understand there's a lot of compliance happening. If it's not happening to you, it will happen. You will have annual testing, so just be prepared and have a fund for that. The good news is there's going to be less competitors. But I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of VHP Consulting Group, signing out.